If there's one thing that I don't get used to, is having to ask my dad for permission. And the worst thing is asking him a day before or a night before. So now for me to leave the house, the time is 6 a.m. I need to tell my dad that, my father, can I go to Bible study? I'm so nervous. Hence why I'm even filming this. Because I need to leave the house in 10 minutes. But because I haven't confirmed with him, I'm taking time in the bedroom, digesting my thoughts and my courage, At this point, I'm about to say a quick prayer and go to my dad. Literally a prayer to be like, my father, can I please go to this Bible study? Yes, in Joburg. And my chat is, I also don't like myself having to tell my dad a day before. Literally. I like unprofessional. Here goes something.
Hi friends, welcome to a very, very short vlog for today's event. So today I'm heading to Joburg for Bible study. As you saw on the previous video, I wanted to go ask my dad. So if you see me now like this, that means he said I must go. So now the time is 7. And the initial plan to get out of the house was 6:30. So that means we are very late. So I might have to ask Usihle to book me a seat. I'm gonna ask her to please book me a seat. But overall, Samanani, Yapila. But anyways, guys, let's bounce. I think my neighbors see me talking with my phone. I'm sure they think I'm crazy. What's your way? I said, go. Okay. Get in.
Hello. Okay,
Okay, Bible study.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, go.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was my grandmother. Like, she lives front opposite. Grandmother by choice. There are no taxis on site. Okay, there's one. There's one. Hi friends. So the plan is to catch the 9 a.m. train. So the time is 8:30 something. So I'm making as fast as I can. Update. I'm still walking. The time is 8:40 something. And I'm not close yet. Phew. My goodness. The time is 8:50 something. And I just made it to the Gautrain station. So technically calculating, it takes me 20 something minutes to walk from Capitec to Bosman. It's almost 30 minutes. But anyways, I'm glad I made it. Yeah, because the train lives in 8 minutes. So I made it. We thank the Lord.
Please allow passengers to disembark before boarding.
Yeah, because now December feels like, if you look at the December back then, it felt like, yes, wow, December. Now it feels like another month. Maybe it's like we acknowledge that it's the last month of the year. So
yeah, let's hope for the new year with new hope.
Right.
Yeah.
But it feels different. Yeah, your festivals very dim. Your festivals are very, very dim.
Yeah. You have a child?
No, I don't have a child. I don't have a child.
Yes, like
It's very, very soon to have a child.
very soon.
Yes,
For real?
very soon. Yes. So when a lady is pregnant, you need to show her beautiful things, and then the kid will be beautiful.
Yes.
Ah!
I'm telling you, my grandpa
Jeez.
told me that.
Hi,
He
Bo.
say, if your wife is pregnant, take her to some
That's the
beautiful
first.
gardens, and take her a walk, show her something beautiful, then she feel it, you know.
Oh my goodness, that's a very interesting.
There is no stress, you see. Even no stress. But nowadays the ladies, while they give the birth, they are stressed with a lot of things.
So you say if the lady is stressful during pregnancy, there's a high possibility of the baby not being beautiful.
Yeah.
Yo.
He's not only I'm not only talking about the physical beauty.
Oh, okay.
Even his mentally, everything.
Oh.
While the mother is stressed, the baby also is stressed.
Yeah, that is true.
See.
Yo, wow, that's a very interesting fact, eh?
YouTube channel.
Ooh, you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I love that. Please, you must teach me, Sana. Hi.
Hi guys. So I'm at church, and it's very dark. No, my way is so dark. But at least you can hear our voices. But you can see who we are. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. What do you have a YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm gonna post it.
Jesus. It is an honor just to be here.
Is only the word. Because when you've been baptized, when you've been immersed in a pure, for example, water, if water is pure and something enters, you will see that this water is dirty. Am I speaking to you today? And how lies enter are not obvious. The best lies, the best deception, always will have elements of truth in it. Am I talking to you today? So people can use the Bible and deceive you. People can use the word and confuse you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no. So probably sure 100% at the moment. I would say I was just
that session was amazing. I think I'm equipped to actually go and actually do the work practically and actually get into scripture in the right way now. I've learned a lot, and I think one thing that stood out for me is that ponder on that small sentence in the scripture, because for me, I'm like a person that if I don't read this full chapter, then I'm doing something wrong. But actually pondering in that little scripture is also important.
No.
Alright, so we got to share today. We have all been deeply challenged. One thing that I asked that we stop doing, and maybe I'm open to correction, I'm not above reproach, is going to the Bible and going, okay, Lord, what do you have to say? Because you know what happens when this happens? You open Matthew 1 and it's the genealogy of Jesus. And you're waiting for a word. You're waiting for something to speak to your specific situation. But the unfortunate thing is you set yourself up for disappointment when you are looking for yourself and not Jesus. And so you get to, okay, what did I open? I opened to Judges. ask the Bible. And let us remember, the worst thing you could ever ask the scriptures is, what are you saying to me? What is this saying to me? What is Psalm 23 saying to me? The question we should begin asking ourselves as we renew our perspective is, what is this revealing about Jesus?
But guys, that's the end of the session. Thank you so much for watching.
Please subscribe, like.
Hi guys, how you doing? We have come to the end of our YouTube channel, of this segment of the YouTube channel. But yeah, if we are gonna love and leave you. See you in the next. Bye guys.